So if that's okay with you, Alexis and Lina. So how, di ka ayap niya na gano'n, parang mo? Gem, sika? Stone. Gem. Ha? Hindi na ko na the gemstone. But you call each other sweetie pie or babe? Oh, nice one. Nakapaapal niya. Okay, so good morning. Before we proceed, I would like, of course, to acknowledge our sponsors for today's wedding. The male sponsors together with the, of course, their counterpart, the female sponsors. I just arrived this morning, 3 a.m., just in time for your wedding. So I had barely 3 hours of sleep before I woke up around 7 this morning, just to be with you, or of course, just to officiate this wedding. So you are very special to me because I made it a point to leave Manila early. And in Baglagid din, yan, traffic to Jadi for how many hours. But still, we're able to arrive early this morning and in time for your wedding. Okay, so, thank you also for considering me as the officiating officer in your civil wedding ceremony. But I would suggest that if you have time, Jem and Lina, to also schedule your wedding inside the church. So I saw your father a while ago. Actually, the bride is the father of the bride is our relative from Cervantes, Ilocosur. Yeah? Dani padong na tayo natin minsan ko. Ay, na tayo dyan. Oh, good morning. Ket naraksangan ta ni kabagyan tayo ngayon dito agkasal. Ket hanga politika dito patay bagayo balayan dami ko na danto na. So since nairanran na lang, I just want to acknowledge the relationship of anyone kada tayo nagda dito. Of course, I believe na amin mo't lang dito ket almost relatives, and of course by consanguineal ties or by conjugal affiliation. So everybody is related to each other in consanguinity or conjugal affiliation. So Alexis and Jem, well, you call each other babe. Any other couple here calling each other? I think Councilor Glenn also calls his wife as a baby. Yeah? Even she's in Canada. Okay. So it's also a privilege and honor to be part of your wedding. And I learned a while ago that Lina is in the military. Okay, so you are in the Army? Okay. Not Army Navy. So you are presently assigned in Fort Bonifacio. Okay, so baka makikita ni Colonel Danny Stranera. Okay, you know him? Danilo. Okay. He's my cousin. Okay, just extend my regards also to him when you go back to your work. Okay. So Lina and Jem, you have scheduled your wedding this 8th day, June bride. Actually, this is also the day that I want to get married. But every time I schedule myself, the church, it's always fully booked. So this is a very good date. 8 pangato ka no nas jay. But it is just a number. Okay. So the success of your marriage depends on the two of you. Okay. So before we proceed, I would like to ask the audience, the sponsors, the witnesses gathered this morning, if anyone among you knows any reason why these two persons may not be lawfully joined together, you do now speak, otherwise you have to remain silent for the rest of your life. Adda ka di apo, iti mangiparit, kariti panagkalaysa, the Jem kinilina. Lina? Okay. Tata na bigat, I will count up to 100 so that you have ample time to react. Okay. Bilang tayo. 1, 2, 3. 99. 100. Okay. So, awan ti kumontra. And I would like also to charge and ask you both Jem and Lina, that if either of you know any reason why you may not be lawfully joined together, you do now confess. Because if any persons are joined together otherwise than as prescribed by law, their marriage is unlawful. Nada mapilpilit, yeah? Bawal iti gobyerno. So, iso dayta iti pagmayatan tatanga tiyempo ta idi tiyempo may contract. Yeah, dati kay classmates ko di school nga naka-contract da iti katribo, yeah, when they were born they were already contracted to each other. So these are the practices that are being discouraged by our government, because our government believes that there should be no practice that erode the belongingness or kindredness of a family. So nga mayat dati choice mo. Idikit, I was contracted to Rita Avila before. Yeah? But because of unavoidable circumstance. Yeah? So nga mayat mitlaing no free. Maki in my dreams lang din. In my dreams. Okay, iso napili iti maysa. Yeah? Mayat mitlaing. Okay? So, I will also count up to 100. 1, 2, 3, 99, 100. Okay, awan apo. Iti nang pilit kanya da. We can see in their eyes how much they love each other. Would you please take a look at each other? Nagpaiso, sige. For a minute. Okay. Okay. Talagang nakapapating iti minsan ti ayat ket hanga may explain. Yeah? That's why if you cannot define love, but the best definition is, of course, love is God. God is love. So I think the very reason why you are here this morning is because of your love for each other. And because God is in you, in yourselves, that's why you are here. Because of your love for each other. So, nadagduma kami, naday kaskasarin tayo di City Hall ket mayor at kasara kami man ta awan ti papeles ti ubing kaya't dangag kasal. So sometimes they make the pay just to legalize their union, just their children to have legal papers, they get married inside the City Hall. But the very reason of two persons marrying each other is of course their love for each other. And if that love will remain burning in your hearts, I'm sure that you will be spending the rest of your life being together. Ita iti sekreto. Yeah? Iti siyak ti nagkasar talagang kunan ni nanang ko respetarum ni katugangan. Yeah? Always. Ita ti karo kada tayo. Yeah? Ditugat mo. Ay, jak banawag. Okay, kuna no di ko ay tugat. Tagat masapol nga dagitoy ugali toy diti kaning nga respeto kadagiti kinamang. So nga di nagasawak di Lina, nagasawak idak di 1994. Uray na minsan ang kupulos nga sinungsumbatan ni katugangat na lalaki 1994, tanatay ti 1988. So ang kupulos nga masumbatan. Ya kasjay. Pero di katugangat ng babae ka talaga. Di ti kabilin-bilinan. Iti naganak tayo. Okay, so dagita. Di bali ta inayunan to dagitoy sponsors dagitoy nga pang magbaga. Okay? So ladies and gentlemen, tatanga bigat, we are gathered here to witness the formal joining of Jem and Lina in the legal sacrament of matrimony given and provided under our government. So, mabalin apo tet kasar iti civil wedding ng mayor or judge laing gamin ti mabalin nga mangkasar. Yeah? Ngam tinglayan ko ma. O kasla dyan ni apo kapitana kini kapitan. Mabalin jeta na minsan adda ti attorney te kanami ket adda di mapang kami ket attorney gayam tinagan na. Damat lang mayor at nagan ti mayor ijay. So mabalin laing iti mayor or judge nya. Iti panagkasal. Okay? So by your presence, iti presensya tayo tatang kakabsat. is of course dito iti makisharean tayo of the love that they have discovered in each other, and of course our presence today means our support for them to share or to commit themselves to one another for the rest of their lives. Okay. And today we are here to celebrate love. Datay ito ita celebrate tayo ti ayat the Lina kini Jem. And today we come to witness and proclaim the joining of these two persons in a marriage that is based on love. So napansin nyo, puro love, di ba tatay? I used to call my wife love, mat lang ini. Yeah. Gamda kayo gamin sino katakti babe from love. So I used to call my late wife as love. Kahit nung love iti because nagkasal kami because of love. Pero iti kami agad-gatang at tirik. Ang tadag iti so kita nga tagat banawag di laknog ya. Namlop sa di may taji balay. Nadagat sir, may kami manta umutang kami ti paggatang ti abuno. Anak kinabakit ko Jem, love agirwar ka man ti kwarta. Nayunam sir, ti pagbatang diti, dadumag tayo nga mausap. Love, agirwar ka ti kwarta. So, kasjay ti biyak ko idi. Idi agawid na naragsak na. Pakada na pi man, sir, agawid kami. Di nakita na ni bakit ko nga nakatakdal girawangan, love, agawid kami. Pati ni bakit ko kat inayon na nga inayaban ti love. Iso nga sino katak ti babe. Okay, so parehas tayo tatan. Ngayon tata, babe na niya yung naman minsan depende, it doesn't matter how you call your spouse, di ba? So tata kung nakarod celebratean tayo kakapsat iti ayat dagito yung duwa no napansin nyo kat puro ayat ti ibagbaga tayo. Okay, so ti kunada marriage is a commitment. To dati contract karigiti contractor ay kat datal daw na so nga sino katanda ti certificate. Okay, but for me marriage is a commitment. Okay, and its success does not depend on your feelings, mamati kayo nga ta, on your moods or circumstances, but on the two loyal persons and of course the vows that you took on your wedding day. So kadi kijay naasawaan nun yaman dijay pledge da, vows da, kari da, itong dalmay sa iso dayta iti no ibiyag da, iso ti success iti marriage. And ti panagasawa, of course, marriage acknowledges that each of you is a unique and amazing individual, but you are better together. Oray pa no kunatay nga ang kayo nga ada kanya-kanyang karakteristik yun. But if you work together, you are even better. Okay? And that's why I would like you to always remember to cherish each other as unique and amazing individuals. And of course, you have to respect each other's thoughts and ideas and try to live each day that you may share it together. Karkaroking ka, taada ka, diyan tayo. Kat numabalbalin, every time you see each other, kat you make the most of it. Okay? So, nagdestino ka. Sila, pagka ba kang, bro? Tika, dati gigyan, Manila. PNP. Oh, nagito iti police gaming ka talaga, nagito iti good boy na talaga. Next the army. The good boys are the PNP. Whether you like it or not, you must have to accept niya. Pag PNP, palaging nasa, ano yung P? O, bahala na kayo. Talagang nagito yung police, ti mamati at nga isuti kasi sumputan, kagugod boyan. Okay. So, it's good. Nakadistino. Ha? Okay. Okay, asidid lang tata. 3 hours lang, no? No, parbangon, ya. Expressway, okay? So, tata, namalpas ti kasar, you will be walking the road of married life together. And you will come to realize that marriage is not a one-sided affair. Okay, there will be and need the concept of mine is mine and yours is yours will no longer apply. Awanin, di ko na mabagik. And there will be a need to share in all things. So, dito, tagasawa kayo niya. Sapol nga aming nga ba nagkit-conjugal. Okay. Even in household chores. Dito. Okay. And dijay iti kanayon tayo nga ibagbaga. Kadag iti kasarin tayo. Nga addan to iti nudumanon ti tiyempo. There will be good times and bad times in your marriage. But the bad times should not be a cause of regret or concern. Kung mga isuti, pag-apaan nyo dito. Because the bad times will always be overshadowed by the good times. Especially if you allow love to sustain you. Okay. And both of you should understand that marriage is not just a thing to enter upon. Haan lang mapan ka kasal ko na. But it must have masapol iti due and serious understanding and appreciation of the ends for which it's contracted. So masapol tayo nga amwenmet lang iti panagkasal. Ano niya nga po. Panadata, marriage, mangibagak at divorce, manadakat 50-50. Tama? And marriage, manadakat is not 50-50, it should be 100-100. Okay? Marriage is not about splitting in half, but giving everything you've got. Kasi iti panagasawa. Jen can ni Lina, okay? And iti panagasawa, connected time, the success of a marriage ket agdependar iti dua nga tao who choose to love each other even on the days that they struggle to like each other. Because whether you like it or not, there will come a time in your marriage that sometimes you feel nga sublik sama tikas tayo nga dumaanon nga tikas na tiyempo nga medyo pukaw sa gano'n. I experienced that. But if you decide to love each other, oray no dumanon tikas na, that is the best namang sustain iti marriage. Because many couples use a lot of time the preparation of their marriage, the wedding day I mean, but few people plan for their marriage. When I say wedding day, you're just talking about the people, the sponsors, the food that you're going to prepare to partake. But when you say marriage, you're talking about your future. So I'm sure that you are one of the few couples that already planned for your marriage. So amok nga na tungtong yun na dan. Iti tunggal may sa kanyayo. Okay, so sigurado na naplano yun na dan. Ito just sharing. Before we proceed with the civil wedding ceremony, just sharing my experiences. Well, kada kayo nga agasawang experiences mo, it's better to use I statements rather than you statements. Okay? Because I statements are a way of communicating to your partner that focuses on your feelings on a particular situation. Okay, just for example, no nagawit ko man ni Jem iti rabii naggapu jay duty na kunang rikaduan kami nga babay sika you came home late at night, you were drunk last night, you puro ngayon sika. But if you're going to rephrase it to I uno siya okay mabaling mo ibaga nga I was worried when you did not come home last night. I was worried when I know that you were drunk last night. Kasjay kano tinapintas nga panangibagahan nga di sika. Yeah. I statement. So framing conversations in this way will lessen the di ko natin mapanan na iti conflict, di ba? So it's good to use that word kano I instead of you. Okay, no maminsan kami kat sika nagat makaring iti lapayag eta. So napintas no ma-rephrase dagita. Okay? So dito iti diferensya iti civil nya puro pamagbagang before we proceed with the exchanging of vows and of course your weak rings. Okay, so we will take this time nga mga bagbagakan niya yung before we ask some of the sponsors also to share some pieces of their advices. Yeah? Because these are advices nagituit balin investments in your married life in the future. So the amount of investment that you make will result in a lifetime dividends. Kasla kumamat iti tangko. No mat-ado ti i-deposit mo at-ado ti dividend dun. Just like in a marriage. So these advices are very important. Mas napaka-importante na unay. Ito yung advices tayo. Okay? So tata, idi vice mayor pa lang sa idi. Yeah. Way back and was still the vice mayor. Ket ado dagiti kinaskasar ni Mayor Tuban. Yeah? And there was a couple na kinasar ni Mayor Tuban. Ket awampay ti makatawin nagsinada. Okay. When I asked the couple, di lalaki, nandamag ko no niya tiga po. Ket ko na nga basaom di Biblia Mayor. Kuna na nga vice ko na nga kini. Ket niya kay nga banda di Bible. Agbas basa kayo? Sometimes. Okay. Ket ko na ket di Mark chapter 10 verse 9. Ket tinakakabin ijay. Kuna na nga. And therefore, what God has joined together, let no man put asunder. Amin nga pinagtipon ni Apo Diyos, awan ti mga agsina. Ket ni Mayor Tuban, tinangtipon kanyami, so nga nagsina kami. So, gason di. Hinalo da nga excuse di jay versikulo. Tinangtipon ket ni Mayor. But we also know couples who are separated from each other. Yeah? But we do not blame them because they are just but human also. They have the reason. They have all the reasons. Yeah? That's why our government already allows annulment. Yeah? But I just do not know what is the difference of annulment and divorce. So just the same, you're separating one from the other. So, dejay iti rason. Yeah? Whether you get married inside the church or in the farm or garden wedding or inside the church or inside the city hall or in front of the sala of the judge, that is not a guarantee for a lifetime commitment. But the one that will guarantee your union is your love for each other. Di chay ti importante na unay. Di ayat niya. Kano talaga nga ayat ti dapat di kanta ni Anthony Castello na pag-ibig ang nasa mundo ay nako na dyan. Awanan iti problema wala na. So kasi kumamot no May next year, pag-ibig kumamot amin dagiti kandidato nga pagpadak tatlo nagpintas ng syudad tayo niya. Ang pag-ibig ay maghari sa tabok at sa kalingga wala. Asday kumamit. So kastamit lang iti panagasawa. Okay? Dagita ket balon nyo dagito yung pamagbaga. Okay, napanin di oras 10:30. Yeah. Kita nga balita nag-text ni Apo Kos Agon kuna na nga malutluto pa lang dinuang na pinartida. Tuloy tayo nga ron. Okay. Tata, sometimes I consider or most of the speakers consider stories are as the best sources of advices. It is where it is in the stories that you can pick up some moral lessons. Okay. Bukas na dito istorya tayo kata. Idi vice mayor pa lang. Iklikos kami takin na aputuban. Pang kami jay balasyo jay, asidag jay, enti kakabagyan tayo jay kabaritan tugalan na masuklam. At dati Jem, at dati 90 years old na parehas na jay. Babae, bakit kin lakay? And they call each other as babe. Yeah? What a coincidence. Tata, they were born in the Japanese times. I just do not know. No, kapay nga babe mati, ayab na. Naiyanak ti 1930s. Kadi mangan kami dyan, agsinsinubo na. Da kayo, agsinsinubo kayo? Hampay? Madamdama pa lang. You did not yet try. You haven't tried. Okay. So, agsinsinubo na. Dyan. Tata, di damagat ti rason, di ko na kinimir to ban, rumar tapay, tamot sapay, sinubsuban ni, bakit mo, wala ka. Wait na, wala na. Di agsubli kami, dinamag na, no, iso ti sekreto na. Kita mong tinsungbat na lina. Subsubwak ni, bakit ko na na. Tanumalpas na nga ngalngalin kantil mo, nan ipasa na mo, di postiso na kanya. Kay sumat ti, sakmat ti subban na. So, ano ti moral of the story? Yeah? It's not about the postiso, but it's about one love that they shared. Yeah? Ijay, na di bakit kin lakay. So, agawit kami, apay uncle nga babe, dayag mo kunakit. When barok amin nga naging girlfriend ko, babe, tinyawag ko. So, nagtagtagay na pak, awan ti apa no babe, ti mo. Baka naglaing nga lakay. Actually, agawit kami. He tapped my shoulder and told me, among barok ay bakit nga babe, because I forgot her name. Bakit kaya magkabawin niya? He is already in the advanced state of senility. Nakabawin. So, may met ka no dito, awan ti may baga na nga nagan. Okay? As jay ti istorya na. Dijay. Okay, to make it more colorful, I'm sure that these sponsors that you have chosen to be your second parents, to guide you in your married life, have also some pieces of advice that they would like to share it with you today, so that you will also learn from them and maibingay damit dito'y napapatid na advices. Okay, I'm going to give you the privilege to choose one among the male and one from the female sponsor. Sika man dyan, pili ka para kadagiti babae, and Lina will choose also for the babae. Okay, ladies first, pili ka. Tingin tayo, resa guys, before we proceed. Ana, pera ti parents yan ka, nalpas nga binagbagan na rin ito. Ito at dati, if one, dati may sabi ito ada project na. Okay. Ada project na from the office of the governor. Ni brother. Ito Sir Knight tayo din. Grand Knight from the Loyota Council.
Naimbag nga bigat tayo amin, awan lawas na. Ay, awan labas na gayang. Apo Mayor, the bride and groom, Jem and Lina. Dahito lang ti nangruna kini Jem. For the information of my fellow sponsors, I am a retired Army officer. So, sa baliti branch of service da or ni Jim is with the Philippine National Police, then ni Lina is with the Philippine Army. Babae kami dito Army narigat nga may relate, but to Lina, uray ano ket dumting ti aldaw nga nanduna ni Jem ket police officer. So anyway, there are instances na the PNP is regionalized, like what happened now na nasa Baguio siya na destino. Siya kaming idikit from here to Visayas, then to Luzon, then to Mindanao. So, kagyati ibiyag tayong army, lalo na sa officers, geographical assignment. But, with your situation now, Jem is at Baguio City, then Sika at the headquarters Philippine Army. Maman Minto no pag-residean Minton. But as of now, fine times as what we have heard from our officiating or the presiding mayor. So, Jem, fine times to visit Lima. Seeing each other or visiting each other is very important. So, find time to visit each other during leaves, R&R. So, you establish your own residence with no anya. Then, Lina, be patient to Jen. So, do with you, Jen, be patient to Lina. Kasi, yung bagit ni Lina, adaptoy Manila Tatan. So, office girl. Anya nga unit, gayong HPA. Ay, sa office of the, Chief of Artillery. Well, so, find time each other. Para there's a smooth relationship between or among you. So thank you and good morning.
Hello, hello. Okay. So katakon, Army karon ti pagayam iti number 1 ti pero good boy. Army ya yeah, kita iti ka-good boyan. Ti PNP kaming ka-good boy mat lang because P ya balik ko natin nga passionate nice polite PNP kita po. So next the PNP from the PNP, the most good boys are from the Army. Okay. Next, okay, pili ka man, Jay. Oh, si Kaudling, ti pili. Amo yun ni Udling, kakailan dito yung lokog, iso ti executive assistant ko, iso ti para aramid ti speech ko rito eh. Palakpakan yun ni Udling ako. O speech writer ko rito eh. Kapaspasana, idi last month ti subproof. Tapos, idi kalman, pimasa ti proof na. Di kunak no civil service, di kita eket LTO gayam, lisensya. Kunak no civil service, subproof di LTO. Okay.
Good morning, Kandita Kulusan, kakaro kada Jem Kanlina. Kat nga ti maibagak nga ta, na amin samod nga anak ni Manong Malaga, kat inalakat na kami nga sponsor. Kat first time ko man nga sa in front of crowd. Ngay kat ti makunat lang, love one another. Di samod talaga ti number 1, love one another. Ti success ti marriage yu, kat adakin niya yung nung man kas ti apayo da kayo ladta apo ti makaresolve itchay. Hanga basit nga apa pantayin pulong kini mama, kini daddy. Or yes, nasa inyo yan. So it's up to you. Kasla din ba ni Mayor tatay nga ra imam ti katugangam tauray siya nga from Mountain Province nga na ikamang iti Kalinga. Ti kunan talaga ni mama ket ay hamo nga ipada ati ikakastam iti paryentes mo. Mapainta iti naikamangan ta. Talaga data ti mangwa ti trabaho ket agpay sumot nga hanta talaga nga sungsungbatan ti no kinaya dati parents ta hanga iti katugakan pa. Di nga rin ti difference niya. So, kasday, we wish you the best in your marriage. Kat da kayo talaga ti agin na just kaslade ko na ni manong sponsor tayo. Find time to be with one another and enjoy with the blessing of your parents. And diyan lang sa may baga. Mayor, thank you.
Okay, nakatpakan tayo. Kapitan. Oh, dahil ti mangipatunay nga niya. Tatay, bagbak army bro niya. Iti number 1 ti army. Okay. Army. Affectionate. Latangat bro. Respectful. Matured. And of course, yielding. Kanayon nga, yes, commander. Puro ag-yield kini commander na. Kita so nga army. Iti number 1, number 2 lang ang PNP tata. Okay. So, you have heard, we will do more later after the civil wedding ceremony. Tapno manay nayunan, ti pamagbaga. Kada kayo, kas na konaktatay, di tanto iti balon nyo, iti pinangbuangay nyo, iti panagpamilya. Ampay anak yun, ha? Ampay, okay. So, that will be our prayer to God. That you will that God will give you His most precious gift, and that is children. Okay, so data iti prayer ni kanyayo. Okay, so tata dinggan nyo digay pamagbaga kanak tatay. So tata ket mapantay nga rot iti I will ask you to stand and face each other. Ibat-ibatang pero. Okay. Now we witness the PNP and the Army exchanging declarations from each other. Okay. Medyo ano, Ling, papasang kinig ko dito. Okay, so dinggan tayo ti pinangi-declare da, iti intention da, iti tunggal maysa da Jem kini Lina. This is my first time to officiate a wedding, a military and from the PNP. Okay. So tomorrow I am scheduled with a wedding of a Kafgo and a Bipat tomorrow. So this time, the schedule iti laya, ada Bipat timan ken ken pasong witness sa PNP. Okay. Dito kang tatay, polite, na, nice and passionate. Okay, PNP. Okay, so may we hear from the groom no niya ti i-declare na the topic sa aman.
I do solemnly declare that I do not know of any lawful impediment why I, Alexis, may not join in matrimony to Lina.
Okay. So may we also ask Lina to declare, tapno legal.
I do solemnly declare that I do not know of any lawful impediment. I, Lina, may not be joined in matrimony to Jemjem.
Okay, so nadinggan tayo, tinamak ko tatay, but to make it formal kanya ket awan iti mangipagel iti panag tipon na. Bagito'y duwa nga gasawa. Okay. So tata, kitain tayo manen iti pinangipkasda, iti vows da, iti tunggal maysa. Okay. take a look at the eyes while you are reading. Okay.
I call upon this person here present to witness that I do take you as my wife to be lawful wedded wife. I will be trust you and respect you, laugh with you, and cry with you, loving you faithfully through good times and bad times. I give you my hand, my heart, my love, my all. From this day forward, for as long as we both live each other.
Okay, palakpakan tema ni Jem, ha? Talagang staticulist, talagang very passionate. Okay, so may we hear also from Lina.
I call upon these persons here present to witness that I do take you, Jem, to be my lawful wedded husband. I will trust you and respect you, love with you and cry with you, loving you faithfully through bad times and good. I give you my hand, my heart, and my love from this day forward as long as we both shall live.
Okay, palakpakan tayo ni Gemma. I am sure, ladies and gentlemen, that these two persons have also prepared for themselves to hello. May ibagada titong galmaysa. So, tatay ka din yung official lang din. May we hear from Lina first. Okay. Sa mo kada yung prepare na dito tapno tinggan tayo met iti kaya't na nga ibaga kini Jem. Okay.
Hi, babe. Looking back, who would have thought that we could end up together? From being the guy that I dislike the most, you've become my husband. From a man who's afraid of commitment, now you're fully committed. I know you've been waiting for this to happen for years. Thank you for patiently waiting, even though you're not known for your patience. Thank you for loving me that much. And I would just wanna congratulate you kasi nasa tamang dragon ka na. Thank you kasi pinili mo ako sa lahat. And from this day forward, you are not alone. I promise to always see the best in you and to be your constant source of love and encouragement. I vow to create a home filled with warmth, laughter, and mutual respect. I promise to love you more each day, to cherish every moment we share, and to honor the bond we've built. I pray that God will keep us healthy, to serve Him, and to enjoy this life we share. May our marriage be rooted in faith, hope, and love with Christ as our cornerstone. I love you, babe.
Okay, palakpakan tayo. Talaga na amok na dahil prepare na. Yeah? So touching. Talaga nga nagiti army talaga nga yeah? Makita bro, di penangi yipkas da. Iti ayat da. Okay, biro kak tunod ti army. Taken ganin di army nga nam amok ijay kampa di Cagayan. Okay, may we hear from our groom. Yeah. Awang kinopyana. Yeah. Okay. Kita ang biso na. Yeah. Take a look at Lina's eyes. Okay. Iso lang tikitaan awan sa body.
Lina, today surrounded by all of our loved ones, relatives, and special person. I vow to love you, support you, always stay by your side. I love you.
Palakpakan tayo. Lang nagtungtong kami ni Victor Tate kasi timbaganan sa kanya. Bakit na yun? Isa kali. Ay, isumat lang. Talaga nga like father, like son. Talaga nga same. Okay. Kante man ti basit nga background na pa lang. Paginigumante pa lang man ti ima dagiti dua. While they are trying to feel what they have said to each other. Okay. You take a look at each other. Kinita kayo. Okay, thank you. Yan, nagpintas nga. I was touched with their statements. Talaga nga, nadlaw mo nga talaga nga nagkapuujay puso da. Okay, I'm sure nga di jay nga injip kasyo tapnuhan nga pumayam niya. Let's seal it with a ring. Okay. So that iti sing-sing na intulot nyo, I'm sure. So, eban tayo dito you give it to them and okay, so tata tayo imatangan iti panang silda iti karida ti tunggal maysa ket dawaten tayo nga habang isuot ni Jem iti singsing iti ramay ni Lina ket dawaten tayo man dati kayat na pay niya nga ibaga aside from the vows that you have told earlier. Yeah, okay. Sakong ti mangigab. Okay.
Hindi na take this ring as a symbol of my love and commitment to
Okay, let's clap our hands for Jem. Yeah. Maybe us also to Lina to take the ring from the box. Okay. And put also anything into the ring finger of
Babe, take this ring as a symbol of my love to you. I love you.
Lakpakan tayo man. Talaga na love na ta iti ari tatang Jempo. Okay? Please continue holding each other's hands. Okay. How does it feel? Amo pa'y tipas mana. Amo pa'y paglablabahin na. Matawanan mo na. Di ba ada washing machine datan niya. Ada ti automatic na para mapping. Okay. Jem and Lina, wedding rings are an ancient symbol that the two persons are off limits to the others, to the exclusion, or the two persons are committed to each other to the exclusion of others. But they also have deeper meaning. Dati na unod nga value na nito. Na meaning na. Okay. The precious metal symbolizes that the love shared by a couple is valuable. And as a circle, and end. Okay. So always wear those rings, Jem and Lina, because that will tell the whole world that you are off limits to the others, and of course that will also remind you of your spouse every time you make a decision in your life. So data ti usar na. Yeah. And ada di artista di Amerika na millions of dollars iti valor di singsing da engagement ring na, but she has 4 failed marriages and commitments. So the value of that ring in terms of monetary value is not a guarantee for a lifetime commitment. So dayta nga singsing insult yu ti tunggal maysa, dayta iti man paneknet iti injip kas yu nga ayat ken kariyo ti tunggal maysa. Okay, so congratulations for your decision, because what you have done today is pleasing to the eyes of God. So amo tayo mat nga marriage is an institution ordained by God, So if it is ordained by God, let God be the center of your life. As you have said earlier, let it be the Alpha and the Omega of your married life. Okay, so marriages will come and go, but we hope and pray that your love will forever grow. Okay, so data iti kararag iti ni amin ka ngayon. Okay, so tatangarod tanadinggan tayo kakabsat iti pinangiyipkas da ti ayat ken karida ti tunggal maysa. Therefore, now by the authority vested in me as the mayor of the city of Tabuk, I do now pronounce Jem and Lina as husband and wife. May we all... Okay, finally! Finally. So, palakpakan tayo, Apo. Yeah. The wedding will not be complete, of course, without the couple showing to the people how much they love each other through a kiss. That they did. I'm sure that they have not done this one yet in front of people. Of course, dito ikot penangipakita na lang iti ayat da ti tunggal maysa. Iti tattao kada tayo nga witness. Ket the best kiss nga na witness up iti kinasar ko ket kita ka balbalan nga naikamang enjoy. Hindi kiss na kat wala na. Kadangay kasla binungor naruwam sa mga wala na ba't po munod pa yun kapay kanya ti kayo jay delicacy binungor sir wala na pa talaga but you don't have to do that. Yeah, I'm just sharing you this story talaga nga binungor sa atin talaga nga nagunipay. Okay, but if you want to do it we do not care. Okay, pero me adan sa adakan sa jay glen hindi niya jay kasante wala na tumunod pa yun naruwam ti binungor. Okay, pero tata as if nobody's looking at you. Okay, we will close our eyes like this one. Okay, you do that one tatanda nga mabain. So let's give them, okay, a time. I will count 5. Okay, I will count 5. Jem and Lina, you show to the people, your parents, your sponsors, and all witnesses here gathered this day how much you love each other at the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ay, correct. Nga ti papanan nga dyan mapasito dahil Makati, ti pagyanam niya. Makati. Awan timay nga army from dyan. Awan timay. Oh, sabali. Sige, okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dyan tarlak ti pagsabatan yung turno ka na halfway niya. From Baguio to Manila, di tarlak. Exactly dyan siguro. Oh, okay. Sige. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kano ti malpas ti break yung sige man langit. O sige. 1, 2, 3. Final na. 4. Paparazzi, get ready. 5. Go! May awan ti binohor na. Okay. One more. This is the request of the photographer. Itikan sa tanang matamaan dito poste. Okay? Okay. At the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, may I now present to you. Sumamit. Husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Jem and Lina Malaga. Okay. Kalpasamat nga nalaga di kanintay niya. Okay. So, you continue with the celebration. I will just be going to Bagumbayan, but I promise you to come back here and have my lunch here. Okay? Papapanak lang sa OJ Fiesta apo ti Bagumbayan tata. Kita numalpas ti picture taking, agiksitak pasit. But just I have said earlier, I'll be coming back. Because I know that the family niya, dito yung nagbali ti Fiesta tayo every year. Pati panagkasal kat once lang nito. So nga, I must come back after my message there in Bagumbayan. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to Mr. and Mrs. Jem Malaga. Okay. And of course, before I will go, mabali nga makipik.
Go to play the years ago.
Oh, Odling, take over. Yeah. Congratulations for passing the sub-prof and the prof. LTO only.